Mom just went outside because it's raining, and she literally has no... Mom, what are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Are you kidding me? Hold on. Let me open the umbrella. Okay. I don't want to go wet. I don't want to go wet. Mom, are you gonna get sick? Oh, there's lightning. I didn't catch the lightning. I hope I catch lightning. I know, I just went in the shower right now.
I'll protect you.
I just want to see Mom. Did you know dogs poop in there? Dogs poop in there and neighbors don't pick up the poop. Mom, for some reason it feels like you're mentally... Did you see that? There was lightning. Yeah, it feels like you're mentally challenged, Mom. Mom, go do something crazy. I want you to do something crazy.
Like what?
Like
run?
Let Mom, let her do it. Let her do it. No. Sometimes I wonder about your mental health, Mom.
Who's worrying about it?
Me?
You?
Are you sure?
I just wanted to do this long time ago. I love to be...
It feels like if we've never been in the rain before.
Well, not...
Let her... Don't cover Mom. Don't cover Mom. Don't cover Mom.
3 years ago, I used to do this in Mexico. Because it was during this summer, was when it rained. In LA, it rains when it was very cold and I wasn't going to do this. Here in Phoenix...
Mom... Oh, I caught that!
You got that?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Are you gonna go in the shower after this, Mom? I don't want you to catch a cold.
Why?
Oh my God, that is so scary!
People might think that I'm crazy, huh?
You are just a bit.
Maybe they think that we're fighting. I don't want to go inside.
Come inside! Come inside! Oh, reminds me of Twister.
Now it's getting cold. Now let's go inside.
Are you sure, Mom?
Yes, I'm sure. Let's go.
So I think I'm the only normal one in this family. You know, just a little thought, and my camera's getting wet. Can I just stand here until the next lightning?
No.
Oh, it's coming down hard now. Listen to that. I just love the sound of it.
Oh yeah, now it's coming hard.
It's coming down hard now.
Let's go inside. Because I'm already on
Go in the shower, Mom. You know, it really doesn't rain much. Well, where we used to live, and Yuma didn't rain much as it does here. So this is pretty cool, actually. Yeah. I just want to catch another lightning before I go inside. That looks really cool.
I'm Diamond, brother.
Are you gonna go inside now? Are you going inside now?
I'm Diamond, brother.
I try not to get as wet. Don't, you're wetting my camera. Okay, bye.